Whoa, whoa! I need a toilet.
Is there a toilet in here? Ooh.
Oh, fucking spider web. Ugh.
That's why you go first.
Ugh.
Oh, someone pissed in this toilet, it looks like.
Ugh. Ugh.
If I do, I will.
Dude, you always see spiders, bro.
Dude, he's furry. Oh, look, he's trying to get me. Look it.
Someone shot this place, dude. Those are bullet holes.
Oh my god.
That door is fucking...
That's a little scary.
Who the fuck buys a gun to shoot the like, I don't understand.
We're not wearing masks again, but
That'd be alright, dude.
fuck it. We're already dead at this point.
Holy. I did a music video right here. Yeah, right here, up there. Shoot a video for a video for 10 seconds. Oh.
This is. What happened to all the seats? What's out these windows over here? Don't jump!
Wait, no!
That's pretty cool. Same layout though, weird. Like Gary schools have this like a little breather area.
It's for the teachers to go smoke cigarettes. Deal with them jag-off kids.
There are no doors to get in here though. There's books in here if you guys want to read. Looks like this might have been the Spanish room. Ven conmigo. Is the CD in there? Oh, CD's right here. If you guys want to learn Spanish, you got the CD with the book. Knock them down. No, actually don't. Too much dust will come flying up. Holy fuck, they're all chewed up.
This spot once. We were standing around here one time for some time.
Stuff all through them.
Over here.
They shot him?
Fucking smoke, dude. They put like 25 bullets in those things. That's the one homie you don't give the gun to. You fucking start shooting
Holy. Shot the fuck out of these lockers. Spooky.
Dude, it's frozen. Wait, is this it? On the roof.
Using this water bottle to cool off my GoPro so it doesn't overheat. That was easy. Oh, who wants to climb the ladder? Bless you. Okay, my allergies are kicking in.
So, look at the football field.
Is that Squidward? It looks like a cracked out Squidward. Nice. Take my water bottle cooler.
That was such a freaking Utah move.
Yeah, you did better than Joey did.
It's shoes.
It was the shoes, I think. It might have been. This GoPro does not fit on my head right. It's like super loose. Yeah, Brian, here's how I would do it. You used to like,
I was just scared. I didn't know if I'd be able to fucking grab on. Just scared. I was scared, guys.
I'll climb it.
He's gonna climb?
I'll climb it if he wants to.
It's like burned at the top.
It's like half the size of that. That's like anything higher than
That's all I got in me. I'm a fucking bitch. Yeah, I'm a fucking bitch.
That's fine.
This is still gonna hurt if I fell, so. Fuck, I'm scared. Should I jump?
Jump. Alex will catch you.
So here's what you do, just
Do a cartwheel.
go on your belly and then drop down onto your arms and
Grab his dick and twist it.
grab his dick! Grab his dick and twist it!
The old dick twist.
There's no way that guy was being serious.
What if he was?
He being dead serious, that's just fucked.
Just
What?
lower yourself down till you find that fucking
Did you
box.
see that? What is that building?
Where? Oh shit.
With those 4 little things coming out of it?
It must be a power factory or something, but it doesn't look like it's active because there's no smoke coming out.
That's what I'm saying. We're going there next.
Yes.
Careful in that room, dude.
It's a cum room.
Careful in there.
No.
You might.
No! Alright, no balls. Go run and jump kick that. See if you can knock it over.
No, because it's like folded into each other.
Oh, true, yeah.
I mean,
And yeah, the dust will be nasty.
it's like this was like the whole row that was there. They just like curled it into the middle of the hallway.
Roger did it.
I think like there might have been like an Avengers type battle in here. Oh shit. What happened to all these seats? They're all like stripped. Nasty. What's it say on the inside of this locker?
These minutes.
You are the part in all the songs that make me ache.
Whoa. Alex, you understand?
I wonder what this was, like, just a gym and you just come up here and watch? Just a little closet.
Cleaning up my clothes. Almost done. That door looks locked.
Ooh, heck.
This is another stairwell.
I'll go down these stairs.
We could. Probably takes back to the.
I found something.
What?
Or we found something.
We found stairs. Where are we?
Literally.
Where we found where?
What?
What do you think is taking care of the grass in here?
What's this way go to? Is there another room that's like identical?
Probably. Oh, so like another gym?
This one's.
Is this the auditorium or is this somewhere? Oh, it's another gym.
It's not a gym, but this one's like cut off in half.
No, it's the same thing. Oh my god, that's Chris Lag.
That's pretty cool.
My boy Chris Lag, that's his tag right there. Lag.
Oh, he's been here before then?
I'm sure. You see my Snapchats, he's like been there. Oh, fuck you, dude.
I need to start figuring out a Venture Boy tag. I already got one, but I need to get like a. The little thing where you spray paint. Echo! Really can't even see it all, but there's a pool down there. Found the pool room. This is like a depressing pool room. So small.
Dude, the echo stays.
Echo! Echo!
That's a strong echo, dude.
Does that hurt?
Yeah, piercing my earth.
That pierce your ear?
Yeah, all that. Let's go pull that way.
You going in? There's a drum set down there. Don't touch my drum set!
Oh, that was a farther drop than I thought.